So problem number 1 is write a program to check a number is even or odd.
So should we take the number from user or any number?
Yes, you have to check the number from the user. And how do we check take the input from the user? Always use the variable name with the small letter starting. It is the practice, okay? And use the variable name in a shorter format. Like number, if you want to take, you use num, and if you are using multiple, then num1, num2, num3, like that. So your program will look neat and clean. Now, okay, you got the number from the user. Now what will you do? Next step. Did you run the program? Enter any number. Okay. Run it again. Check with another number. Good. So can you explain the program?
So first in the program, this variable will store the integer version of the input given by the user,
Right.
which is a number, and then this statement, if num percentage 2 equals to 0, means that if this number is divided by 2, then the remainder is equals to 0 or not. If the remainder is equals to 0, it will print number is even, otherwise it will print number is odd.
Okay, good. And why you are using int there?
Because if we remove int, we can't compare a string with an integer.
Yes, because by default input function will take input as a string. So we need to typecast that to the integer. So we are using int function to convert the string from string to number. And then you are checking if the remainder is 0 or not. If the number divided by 2 remainder is 0, it is even or otherwise odd. Very good. Now the next problem is